This is the third time my basement entrance has been washed out by rain. It wasn't until my wife had enough that I finally decided to fix it myself. The problem was, I only had $200, so the budget was tight. So I bought a set of white prefab panels and decided to rebuild it on my own. First step, I cleared out all the loose dirt and small rocks at the bottom. Next, I stood the panels up one by one and fixed them on both sides. At this point, the shape of the entrance was already clear, but I didn't rush to pour concrete because the problem wasn't the wall. The last two failures weren't about strength, they were about water. Rain always flows downhill, collects at the bottom, and slowly washes the soil away. The real issue wasn't the entrance, it was that water had nowhere to go. So this time, I focused on the base and how to move the water away. Then I added a layer of gravel so water could drain through instead of sitting on top. Next, I put in a barrier layer to separate water and soil and keep things stable. Then I added rebar mesh, like a skeleton, to strengthen the concrete. With everything in place, when the concrete was poured, it didn't spread everywhere. Instead, it formed one solid piece, creating a strong platform that can handle weight. What I fixed this time wasn't just the structure, but the path of the water. So that $200 didn't just buy materials, it paid for a full solution.